Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Chunxiao sleep aid, dose, and expiry. This matters for safety and effectiveness. Once confirmed, clean and dry your mouth. Avoid food or alcohol for 30 minutes so absorption isn't reduced. Make sure you have water and a timing device ready, and plan for a 7-9 hour sleep window. This first step primes your body and sets conditions for predictable onset. Now take the dose as labeled and sit, or lie down to relax immediately. Once done administering Chunxiao, position the tablet exactly as directed, sublingual under the tongue or swallowed with a small sip of 20-50 ml water. If sublingual, hold it in place for 1 to 2 minutes to maximize absorption. Do not chew. Then, dim lights and reduce noise. Lower screens to under 50% brightness to cue melatonin pathways. These actions support faster onset and deeper sleep. Remember, steady breathing and calm thoughts help the medication take effect smoothly. To finish, allow the full sleep period. Do not drive or operate machinery for 8 or more hours after dosing. If you wake early, avoid caffeine and bright light. Instead, use slow breathing and low-level darkness to return to sleep. If you experience persistent side effects, dizziness, prolonged grogginess, or allergic signs, stop using Chunxiao and contact your healthcare provider right away. This final step protects your safety and helps you troubleshoot without making the situation worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.